Hello friends, I am Nikita. I am a national instructor and a chess trainer. Welcome to our YouTube channel Chess Kaksha. In today's video, we are going to solve some puzzles on Mate in 2. So without wasting time, let's solve and learn. Let's take a look. In this position, it's white to move. So how white can force checkmate in 2 moves? Can you find the move? You can see here, black king is on the edge of the board. So, if white give check with this queen to a8, then what will happen? Then this black king will move to b4 or b3 and try to escape towards the center. So, this is not the good move. And what if queen moves to this f8 and giving check, then also this black king will escape towards the center and this will take more moves to give checkmate. And we have to checkmate in 2 moves. So what should be the best move here? Yes, the best move is king to c3. You can see this move has restricted these 3 squares for black. Now, black king can't move to b4, b3 and b2 square. It can only move to a4 or a2. So, if black king move to a2, then checkmate can be achieved with queen to b2. It's checkmate. And what if after king to c3, if black king move to a4, then also checkmate can be achieved with queen to b4 and it's checkmate. Let's take another example. It's white to move. So how white can deliver checkmate in 2 moves to black? You can see here, white is controlling the second rank. So black king can't move to this rank. So what should white move? White will move king to a4. Now you can see it has restricted squares for black. King can move to a4 and checkmate can be achieved with queen to a2 and it's checkmate. Let's take another example. It's white to move. So how white can deliver checkmate in 2 moves? We, as we know, when this white queen comes to this b7, b6 or b5 square, then it will be checkmate. So our first move should be queen to b1 to reach here. Now, black king can move to a5 or it can also move to a7. If it moves to a5, then checkmate can be achieved with queen to b5 and it's checkmate. What if after queen to b1, if black king move a7, then checkmate with queen to b7 and it's checkmate. Let's take another example. It's white to move. So can you find the move? White has to give checkmate in 2 moves to black. You can see here, black queen can't give checkmate with this g2 square as the knight on e1 is controlling this g2 square. So what should be the best move here? The best move is queen to h2. It's force move because you can see black king can't move to g2, h1 square and f2 square because it is controlled by queen and white king. So the only square left is f1. So black king will move to f1 and finally checkmate can be achieved with queen to f2 and it's checkmate. Let's take another example. In this position, it's white to move. So can you guess the move? Yes, queen to f5. Suppose if this queen give check, then the king will escape and we don't want this. Queen to f5. Now the black king is trapped. It can't move to any of this square. So it's forced to move its pawn. The pawn will move to c5 and now checkmate can be achieved with queen to g4 and it's checkmate. Let's take another example. It's white to move and white has to give checkmate to black in two moves. So what should be the first move here? The best move is knight to h5. You can see it's discovered check. So black king can move to this g8 or h7 square. If it moves to g8, then checkmate can be achieved with queen to g7. It's checkmate. And if it moves h7 square, then also queen to g7 and it's checkmate. Let's take another example. It's white to move. So can you guess the move? White. How white can force checkmate in two moves? Yes, the best move is knight to f7. It's check. So black king can only move to h7 square. When king moves to h7, so checkmate can be achieved with bishop cross d3. It's check and mate. And what if this white knight attack on this pawn? The knight is attacking this pawn. As you can see, black king can't move to any of this square as it is controlled by king and knight. So it's forced to move this pawn. It will move to d2 and finally checkmate can be achieved with knight to g6. It's check and mate. Let's take another example. It's white to move. So how white can deliver checkmate in two moves? Suppose if white move the king to f3, then what will happen? Then it will be stalemate because now the black king has no legal square to move and it's black turn, and without check when king has no legal move, so it will be stalemate. Stalemate means draw, and we don't want to draw here. We want to win. So this is not the correct move. So what should white move? The best move is queen to h3. It's check, and it's force move. Now you can see black king can't move to these three squares. It has to move this g1 square, the only square available for black king. Now, black king will move to g1 and finally, checkmate can be achieved with knight to f3 and it's checkmate. Let's take another example. In this position, it's white to move. So how white can deliver checkmate in two moves? You can see here, black king is almost trapped. The only escape route is this d1 square, which is available for black king. So the best move is bishop to b3. Now you can see the black king has to move to the corner. Black king will move to b1 and finally checkmate can be achieved with queen to e1 and it's checkmate. Let's take another example. It's white to move. So can you guess the move here? How white can force checkmate in two moves? Yes, by moving queen to a2 because queen has to come to this e2, f2 or g2 square to deliver checkmate. So first it has to come to a2 square. It's now king will move to e1. So checkmate can be achieved with queen to e2 and it's checkmate. And what if after queen to e2, if black king moves to g1, then can you guess the move? Yes, checkmate can be achieved with queen to g2 and it's checkmate. Let's take another example. It's white to move. So how white can deliver checkmate in two moves? Suppose if white king comes to this f3 square. Now black king can't come to this e3, e2, e1, d1, c1 and these squares as these all are controlled by white pieces. So it will be stalemate. So what should be the best move? The best move is queen to d3. And now the black king can move to c1 or e1. What if it moved to e1? Then checkmate can be achieved with. Can you find? Yes, with knight to c2, it's checkmate. What if after queen to d3? If it moved to c1, then checkmate can be achieved with queen to c2 and it's checkmate. Let's take another example. Friends, this position is homework for you. I'm waiting for your answers in my comment box. It's white to move, so please solve and write the answer in my comment box. I hope you like this video. So please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.